Here you have your propane tanks in the front of your trailer under this black cover. You'll have 2 tanks in this trailer, the 20-pound tanks. Your fifth wheels can have up to 30-pound tanks. You have a quick access cover here, so you can just loosen these 2 up. Once you gain access, you can turn on and off your propane bottles without having to remove the cover. Also, you can flip the regulator over to work off one tank to the other. To take off your cover, you just lift it straight up, and you can set it aside. And here you see the 2 tanks. So just like your home grill, you have it on and off, clockwise, counterclockwise. So here I have your regulator removed from the tank holding, just to give you a better shot of the valve I was speaking about. This valve here, as you can see, it points to the tank that you're gonna be working off of. So in this case, wherever this line was hooked up to, that's the tank you're working from. When this tank runs out, all you have to just do is switch over, and now it'll work off this tank. Here is the indicator gauge I was talking about. It'll show clear when the tank is full. It'll go to red when the tank is empty. Okay, so now I want to show you how to connect your regulator and your holding bracket back into your propane. So this one has a U-shaped bracket for your regulator. So this will go on the stud first. Your mounting bar would go next. This gets a little tricky. You have to move the tank sometimes to get them in place. It's normal. Once that's in place, this lowers down. Get your line out of the way. Make sure they're set in properly. There's little grooves. And then go ahead and put your wing nut on. Get it secure. Regulator stays in the middle. And then you can go ahead and hook up your lines. Line number 2. And your regulator is working off of this tank, so I'll go ahead and turn on this tank here. This can stay closed because it's not going to be operating. And that's it. Now your tank and your propane is all set to be used inside your trailer.